Get ready to challenge your brain and earn big. In this video, I'll introduce you to a fantastic app that not only lets you enjoy the addictive 2048 puzzle game, but also gives you the opportunity to earn real money while having fun. Get ready to challenge yourself and boost your bank account with this innovative app. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to turn your gaming skills into cash. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. It would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Play the addictive 2048 puzzle game and make money. Imagine spending your free time doing something you love, like playing games, all while earning extra cash. 2048 Clash is a free app that lets you play the popular 2048 puzzle game and actually earn real money while having fun. Whether you're a casual gamer looking for some entertainment or a competitive player aiming to score big, this app is perfect for you. 2048 Clash is a classic 2048 puzzle game. You'll be matched with real players within the same skill level, and the game is totally fair and skill-based. To win, try to make 2048 ASAP to get a bonus score. Try to merge more blocks at the same time. Join the millions of players already hooked on this captivating game and start strategizing your way to victory. With its simple yet challenging gameplay, 2048 will keep you engaged for hours on end. But here's the best part. Every move you make brings you closer to unlocking amazing rewards. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to have fun and win big. Download this free app today and start playing 2048 while earning money effortlessly. It's time to put your gaming skills to good use and reap the rewards. Join the thousands of satisfied players who have already started winning big. Get ready to level up in both fun and finances with this amazing app. In the end, thanks for watching the entire video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with others. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.